Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and please do me a favor and thumbs up this video if you like more videos like this. So guys, as you can read by the title, I will be bleaching these knots to have that natural looking part. It's super easy, great for beginners. So let's just jump right into this video.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let go. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got pants in the coupe.
Okay, of course you're going to need your lace closure and some developer number 40 and your lightener. I just got the small pack and a brush in your little bowl, and also your shimmer lights shampoo and also regular conditioner. And I don't have any gloves, but I will prefer using gloves when I'm so used to this. So once I pour in the developer, I'm going to just cover the whole bottom of the bowl. Just cover the bottom of the bowl. I will not put a lot. I hope you guys can see it. And then I'm going to pour in my lightener. It's the whole pack. I didn't have any lightener, so I just went and got a small pack because that's all I would need. So, and then I'm going to just serve this up. And you guys, I want this kind of chunky. I don't want it like soupy, because you don't want this stuff to run into the actual hair, because all this is going into the lace. So guys, I'm going back in with a developer. I'm only filling it up like a half a cup. So you guys, it's best to use less as possible, because you don't want to mess this stuff up. Like I said, you don't want it to be too runny. So that's why I started off with using small amounts. Now guys, I got it where I want it. I'm just stirring it up more, and you see guys, it's not too chunky, it's not too soupy. So it is time to go ahead and bleach these knots, guys. Guys, I also forgot to mention to get a trash bag or get you some aluminum foil just to lay down flat on your countertops or wherever you doing this at, because this stuff gets kind of messy and it's strong. So guys, now I'm just patting this on. You really want to take your time doing this, because like I said, you don't want it to get into the hair unless you plan on dyeing the whole hair blonde like I tend to do, because I'm going to put some color to this anyway. But you still want to just take your time and just really just pat this stuff on. That's just only if you just making a mistake. But if you intend to leave this hair black or the initial color, I would suggest take your time anyway. But just take your time. Just take your time. I want to just make sure this stuff is all over the lace, and make sure it's in every spot of the lace, because you don't want to miss any spots, especially if you plan on wearing your hair parted this way, that way. You want to just make sure it is good, a good amount is on it. And like I said, take your time doing this. This is so easy, y'all. I swear to God, it is very easy to do. If you just follow through these steps, girl, your closure gonna be lit. So now guys, I'm just taking the aluminum foil and I'm gonna let it sit. I'm just taking the aluminum foil and I'm just folding it up. So guys, now I'm just going to let it sit for about 25 minutes, because you don't want it to have it on here too long. It will not look right. So I just set my stove so I can remember, and the total I did take 25 minutes. So now this how it looks. Is you should see a little coloring on the lace to just let you know that it has turned colors. So now I'm just rinsing that out, and then I went in with that purple shimmer light shampoo. It's good to have this shampoo, especially if you plan on dyeing your hair, bleaching your hair. It's good to have this shampoo, especially if you're going blonde or whatever. So guys, I'm just going in with my conditioner. And also guys, this probably would be a part 2 and part 3 to this video, because I don't know yet what I plan on doing. I don't know if I'm gonna make a wig or I'm going to sew it on my hair. I'm not sure yet. So, and I'm going to color this hair, so stay tuned for those videos. So guys, this is basically it. And like, you're done. This is the outcome. It looks very natural. Guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.